Hi, this is Duncan for Tech Digest and Shiny Shiny, and this is Lucy and Zara, and today we're testing out noise cancelling and noise isolating earphones. We've each got a different model, and we're going to be making some loud noises to see what they're like. But let's tell you a bit about the headphones first. I've got a pair of Shure SE102s. These are quite an entry-level product. They cost in the region of 40 quid, and they've got a sensitivity of 105 decibels and a frequency response of 22 Hertz to 17.5 kilohertz, which is sort of alright, but it's not on the brilliant side of things. As I say, they're quite a budget model, so I'm not expecting necessarily very much for them.
I've got the Denon AHNC732, which isn't the catchiest name in the world. These babies retail at £250. They've got real leather here and here, and we've got sensitivity of 105 decibels. For the noise range, we've got 5 Hertz to 28 kilohertz, so I'm expecting good things from these, I have to say. For this price, really better.
I have the Able Planet Clear Harmony headphones. Now, apparently the secret behind these headphones are proprietary sound. It's packed with Able Planet technology called Lynx Audio that was used for high-end hearing aids. So cool. That's quite positive. They're $99, so probably about, what's that, £40, £50, something like that. So quite expensive, but not as expensive as yours, so I think they should do pretty well. I've got a frequency response of 20 Hertz to 20 kilohertz, so a bit better than yours, I believe, spec-wise, and a sensitivity of 110 decibels.
It's probably worth also mentioning that these are noise isolating, whereas the girls have both got noise cancelling headphones. Noise cancelling headphones will generate a negative sound wave in the actual ear thing itself to try and cancel out outside noises. Whereas the noise isolating ones are in-ear and they have a little silicone sleeve so that they block out external sound, as if you had your fingers in your ears like that.
And these all have a battery as well.
Yes, yes. These are powered, these aren't powered. Okay, yep. So shall we get the test underway?
Absolutely.
Let's go.
What?
No, I can't talk at the moment. Yeah, down the other day, that's right. But you put in your ears. Yeah, sound cancelling. Yeah, that's right, that's right. No, none of them seem to be able to hear what I'm saying at all. It's quite impressive. Yum yum! These are delicious. They're really, really good. I think you should try some. Very tasty. These are excellent Rice Krispies, the finest I've ever had. Absolutely delicious. Well, it seems after extensive testing and Rice Krispies that they all fared pretty well, much better than I thought, but I would probably say, on the evidence, that the ones that turned out best were actually the Shures.
Budget choice.
The budget choice, yeah. The insulating. So, very impressed. There you go. There seems to be the message. Noise cancelling, maybe not so good. Noise isolating seems to be the way to go.